everybody, it's Rob with Machine Gun Nest here again with Graham at Beretta, and we're talking about the brand new 92 Xi.
I think we all know the 92.
Yeah.
Been around, sort of in service for 30 years. Been around for about, 37 years, 40 years now. Obviously, the market for a long time has been asking us for a frame-mounted safety. We offered them that on the performance, right, as a sort of steel frame, and now we're bringing that to an aluminum frame gun, and we're also adding in the single action only, which is, we've seen this a few times in the past with Beretta. Conversions are available always, right? But this is sort of a modern take on that.
Right.
So the 92 Xi, 9211, little tongue-in-cheek, but really fantastic platform. So what we have here is we've also added in a flat trigger, right? So we completely redesigned the trigger shoe here. Consistent.
It's
placement.
flat, but gives you just a little bit of curve so your finger knows where to sit.
Yep. We spent a lot of time debating on this trigger before we released it.
That's neat.
We've obviously got a 10 mag release, standard Beretta magazine, so compatible with all full-size
Very nice.
mags. So drive this home. This does go cocked and locked. It's not a decocker.
Okay.
Right? So it will decock in a traditional. You're going to have to ride that hammer down. Okay. So we've got Hogue walnut grips in a Cerakote stainless Cerakote sort of silver finish on the entire gun with black hardware. We will have other variants. We've also got the standard edition.
Okay.
The standard edition is a reverse two-tone with a silver slide, black frame, black hardware, and standard black polymer grips. So this will be launching and shipping in February. So we're really, really excited about this pistol. It's got a great trigger on it. The reset on this. It's got a little bit of a take up, very clean, right?
Very nice.
Smooth. And then this is brake. So reset.
Very nice.
So very, very clean trigger. One thing to note is that, this gun, we've looked at this. It comes out of the box. We're going for about a 4.5 pound trigger pull, right? There is a bit of a break-in period with this. A couple hundred rounds through this gun and you break it in. But I think what you notice is with a lot of performance, a lot of higher grade guns, is that they do have a break-in period, right?
Okay, makes sense.
The lower grade guns, they sort of never break in because they never get better. Well, this gets better with time.
All right.
So put rounds on it. We encourage everybody to shoot. We want rounds through our guns. That's a big part of it. So we build guns to be shot. Right? So put rounds through it. It gets better with time. It ages like a fine wine.
Right.
So this is it's the 92 Xi.
Very nice. I appreciate it. This is a really cool gun. This is definitely something that should go in the collection for most people, especially if you love the old 92 FS, which I do. This is our cool gun. I really appreciate it. Thanks for your time, Graham.
Thanks a lot, Rob.
Thanks, guys.